which is more faster, like Laragon. So this is the Laragon 6 version. So I have got the more better local host for our local development. So I am using at present. So this application, this is the FlyEnv. So you can get it into more faster, more control. Everything is a host. Everything you can control. Image, N8N, IMA, open, close. Everything you can solely manage. Portman, Cloudflare, Apache, KD, Franklin, PHP, HTTP, Nginx, Tomcat, Pan, Deno, .NET, ELAC, Flutter, Go, Gradle, Java, Node.js, PHP, APM, Python, Roadrunner, Ruby, Rust. Everything in our development, what we need, everything is here in the FlyEnv. So for the local development, I have used in the previous Laragon. So Laragon is more slower. In the latest version, Laragon is need more license. So in this case, you can easily get the license from the FlyEnv. Just publish an article and send them to get the free FlyEnv. Also, you can put donate $5 or $1, no limit. So you can donate something, you can get easily, or you can free video, anything. So I have published a free article in the Medium and sending them, and they send me license. So also, actually, this is the free video. I never got any payment or never got any marketing video. This is not the marketing video. This is the actual video, actual review from my site. So for FlyEnv, I am using the best here. So if you, as a developer, you can try once as a FlyEnv. So I hope you will enjoy this system and also enjoy the speed of the host. So others hosting like take huge time to open it. So in nanosecond it will open your server application, everything. Here is one issue. Always you need to manually run this manually, which you need this application you have to run. So manually run. Same for manually MySQL run. So that's data you have to run manually. Then you can enjoy this.